Hello students, in the last video we read about three Mendelian disorders. Now we are going to read further Mendelian disorder. The fourth one is phenylketonuria. The type of pedigree which it follows, it is autosomal recessive trait, means the gene which is responsible for this disorders are located on autosome. And second thing, the trait will appear only in the homozygous condition, when the recessive allele is present in the homozygous state. Second thing, it is a biochemical disorder. Biochemical means it is related to some type of enzyme. So what happens in this disorder? In this disorder, an enzyme, the name of an enzyme is tyrosinase. Ase, as you know, it is the suffix for an enzyme. So the absence of this enzyme tyrosinase is responsible for this disorder. This enzyme is responsible for conversion of an amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. So we can say to it biocatalyst because it is present inside the living organism. The tyrosinase enzyme converts phenylalanine into tyrosine, but due to the absence of it, phenylalanine is accumulated. Accumulated means start to collect and converted into phenylpyruvic acid. So the accumulation of phenylpyruvic acids in the brain result in mental retardation, means a person or a child with disorder will be mentally retarded. And second, it is also excreted through the urine because of its poor absorption by kidney. जो phenylpyruvic acid है, it also not absorbed by kidney, that's why it is excreted through the urine. Clear? So phenylketonuria, autosomal recessive trait. Type of pedigree is autosomal recessive trait, means genes are located on autosome. Trait will appear only in the homozygous recessive condition. Is a biochemical disorder, means related to an enzyme. Enzyme tyrosinase is absent in this disorder, that is responsible for conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine. The absence of this enzyme in the absence of this enzyme, phenylalanine is converted into phenylpyruvic acid, that is responsible for these two effects. The next disorder is cystic fibrosis. In short, you may say to it CF. Cystic fibrosis means CF. During this disorder, it damages the lungs and digestive system mainly. And one more thing, it is also an inherited disorder. Actually what happens during this disorder, it affects the cells, means जो अंदर की जो lining है which produces mucus, sweat and digestive juice, they all are affected during this disorder, that is responsible to these fluid to become very thick and sticky, and that these thicker fluid plug up these tubes and areas or passageway. So this is the cystic fibrosis. The next disorder is thalassemia. It is also autosomal linked recessive trait. Also is a blood disease like sickle cell anemia, and it is due to the either mutation, क्या तो mutation हो जाए, means gene mutation, means the point mutation, or deletion. Mutation means maybe changes, और deletion के through मतलब कोई gene और कोई allele absent हो, which ultimately result in reduced rate of synthesis of one of the globin chain. As I told you, it is made up of heteropolypeptide chain, hemoglobin, 2 alpha chain, 2 beta chain. So due to the mutation और deletion, कोई भी globin chain जो है उसकी synthesis rate कम हो जाती है. This cause the formation of abnormal hemoglobin and that result to anemia. जिससे जो hemoglobin बनेगा वो थोड़ा abnormal बनेगा and that lead to disease anemia. Now the thalassemia is of two types, alpha thalassemia and beta thalassemia. In alpha thalassemia, you may see it is a pair of homologous chromosome, and on this chromosome two genes are there, HBA1 and HBA2. The same genes are located there also. These two genes are closely linked. They are located on chromosome 16 of each parent, and in this disorder what happens, one or more gene if is absent or affected, so that less alpha globin molecule will be produced. These two genes are located on chromosome number 16, और इस किसी भी एक जीन की प्रेजेंस एब्सेंस की वजह से जो ग्लोबिन चेन है वो कम बनेगी, एंड दैट विल बी रिजल्ट इनटू एबनॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन. बीटा थैलेसीमियम, It is controlled by a single gene. Alpha thalassemia we read controlled by two genes. It is controlled by single gene HBB. The gene was there HBA1 and HBA2. There the gene is HBB on chromosome number 11. For the alpha, it was located on chromosome number 16 on each parent, and it occurs due to the mutation of one, किसी एक में या दोनों ही जीन में अगर म्यूटेशन हो जाए तब होगा बीटा थैलेसीमिया. Now, the difference between sickle cell anemia and thalassemia, both are autosomal linked recessive trait, but it is a qualitative problem. Means जो हीमोग्लोबिन है उसकी शेप चेंज हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ इनकरेक्टली फंक्शनिंग ग्लोबिन, बट इट इज़ ए क्वांटिटेटिव प्रॉब्लम. मतलब चेन कम बन रही है. यहाँ पे चेन कम या ज़्यादा का सवाल नहीं था. यहाँ पे वो मतलब उसकी क्वालिटी इज़ नॉट गुड. हेयर क्वांटिटी ही कम है. So that is the main difference between the both. Sickle cell anemia is a qualitative problem of globin chain, and it is a quantitative problem of synthesizing few globin chain. So here Mendelian disorders are completed. Now we are going to start chromosomal disorder. As we read about it, it is because of excess or absence of one or more chromosome. Like as you know, this is a single chromosome. During the S phase, replication takes place. So यहाँ पे replication से they both are located on attached on the same centromere, and both are sister chromatid. During the ana phase, as we know, जो centromere split and they start to migrate at the opposite pole. This is the condition. Actually, we can look here. The correct condition is this one, that both sister chromatids should be separate from each other and should start to move at the opposite pole. But if it happens, means both sister chromatids did not separate from each other and they both move towards the one pole, whereas on the second side there is no chromatid. So this is the correct one, and this is the incorrect condition, which is lead to chromosomal disorder. Chromosomal disorder is responsible for change in the number of chromosomes. The change in number of chromosomes are of two types, euploidy and aneuploidy. Euploidy means change in the whole set of genome. Means as we know, we are diploid. Means 46 chromosomes we have. In the place of 46, if we have 69, means पूरा का पूरा जीनोम का मतलब है हैप्लॉइड सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. हैप्लॉइड सेट मीन्स 23 क्रोमोसोम. जीनोम मीन्स हैप्लॉइड सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. सो फॉर द ह्यूमन द हैप्लॉइड सेट कंटेन 23 क्रोमोसोम. तो होल सेट ऑफ जीनोम इफ इंक्रीजिंग मीन्स डिप्लॉइड टू ट्रिप्लॉइड, ट्रिप्लॉइड टू टेट्राप्लॉइड. बट इन एनिप्लॉइडी इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज ऑफ वन और टू क्रोमोसोम, मतलब एक या दो क्रोमोसोम ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं या कम भी हो सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैम. इन दिस द होल सेट विल चेंज. इन दिस द क्रोमोसोम नंबर विल बी इंक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ वन और टू और डिक्रीज. In this we can say it is a very quite common in plant, and the main condition is polyploidy. Like wheat, Triticum aestivum, गेहूँ जो है, it is a hexaploid variety of wheat. So some of the terms like failure of cytokinesis. Failure मतलब किसी चीज़ में सक्सेसफुल ना होना. Cyto means cytoplasm, kinesis means division. Means if after telophase, as in the on the last page I told you about that in the anaphase sister chromatids separate from each other. But here, if after telophase, because a cell cycle contain or cell division contain 4 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. If after telophase means after karyokinesis, if cytoplasm did not divide, means the whole set or two sets of daughter cells remain in the same cytoplasm, that lead to polyploidy condition. And failure of segregation of sister chromatid during anaphase stage lead to aneuploidy. Like on the last page we read here, if that sister chromatid did not separate from each other, so there it will be aneuploidy. मतलब number of chromosome will be more than the normal on this one, in this one daughter cell, whereas in this one daughter cell the number of chromosomes will be less than the normal number. So aneuploidy is further of two types, hyperaneuploidy and hypoaneuploidy. Number one is hyperaneuploidy. Hyperaneuploidy means increase in number. Hyper means ज़्यादा होना. Like trisomy, diploid is a normal condition 2n. N means genome 2 into 23 means 46 plus 1 means total number of chromosome will be 47. In the condition of trisomy, tetrasomy means total will be 48. So aneuploidy is further of two type, hyperaneuploidy and hypoaneuploidy. Hyperaneuploidy further of two type, trisomy 47 and tetrasomy 48. Hypo means कम होना, like monosomy 2n minus 1 means total will be 45, and nullisomy 2n minus 2 means total will be 44. 2n means 46 minus 2 equal be 44. Like male contain two chromosomes, sex chromosome, one is X, second is Y, and female XX. So in the male, both chromosomes segregate from each other, but in the female they both come at one side. And second, as in the process of sex determination we read, 0 means this side did not contain any chromosome. So what happens? Male chromosome XY, female one gamete contain both X chromosome, and second gamete did not contain any sex chromosome. The fusion of these to produce XXX means super female. XXY is responsible for Klinefelter syndrome. XO is responsible for Turner syndromes, and YO means a person will be die. Why the person will die? The reason is that क्योंकि इसमें X chromosome absent है, and X chromosome contain many genes which is responsible for or which controlling many of the character. Y chromosome contain 131 gene. Out of the 131 gene, 4 genes are functional, which are responsible for determining the male features. लाइक SRY जीन ये टेस्टिस फॉर्मेशन के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. तो ऐसे कुछ जीन्स हैं जो केवल मेल कैरेक्टर के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. इफ़ दे आर एब्सेंट इन द फीमेल देयर विल बी अ नो इफेक्ट ऑन लाइफ ऑफ हर, बट एक्स क्रोमोसोम की एब्सेंस मेल के अंदर उसकी डेथ के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. सो नाउ 3 syndromes are given in our book: Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and the third one is Down syndrome. So Turner syndrome, like here you have read, XO means it contain 45 means 44 plus XO, total 45 condition, 45 chromosome. Condition is monosomic, like it is a hypoaneuploidy. Like on last page we read less than the normal number, so condition is monosomic hypoaneuploidy. It is due to non-disjunction. Non-disjunction means a failure of segregation of sister chromatid during anaphase. यानी एनाफेज के टाइम पे जब दोनों सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड और मेटाफेज, वो जो मेटाफेज पे तो मेटाफेजिक प्लेट पे अरेंज हो जाते हैं एज वी नो, और एनाफेज में वो दोनों सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड स्प्लिट होकर अलग अलग पोल की तरफ मूव करते हैं. क्लियर? सो अगर ये जो सिस्टर क्रोमेटिड हैं ये स्प्लिट ना हो, एक साथ ही रहें, तो उसे हम बोलेंगे नॉन डिसजंक्शन. ड्यू टू नॉन डिसजंक्शन फीचर्स आर a female, क्योंकि this contain one X chromosome, so obviously the newborn will be a female क्योंकि इसमें X chromosome है. The female will be sterile means ovaries are rudimentary, non-functional, and lack of secondary sexual characters in female. Klinefelter syndrome, like 44 autosomes, 22 pair plus XXY means total number of chromosomes will be 47, यानी ट्राइसोमी, हाइपर एन्यूप्लॉइडी कंडीशन. इट इज ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सेम नॉन डिसजंक्शन. एक्चुअली हेयर यू कैन सी दिस वन क्रोमोसोमल पैटर्न कंटेन वाई क्रोमोसोम, मीन्स मेल हैज़ गिवन वन वाई क्रोमोसोम. क्योंकि बच्चे का मेल या फीमेल होना ये मेल पे डिपेंड करता है. सो फादर हैज़ गिवन वाई क्रोमोसोम बट मदर हैज़ गिवन 2 X क्रोमोसोम बिसाइड द वन. So male contain extra X chromosome that is responsible for female character in a male. So because of that development of breast, and this condition is called gynecomastia, and the person will be sterile. So these are 2 disorders, Turner's and Klinefelter. The third one is Down syndrome. Down syndrome is trisomy of chromosome 21, means chromosome 21 is an autosome. Autosome पेयर है तो उसमें 2 क्रोमोसोम होंगे, बट डिसाइड द 2 इफ इट कंटेन 3 मीन्स वन ऑफ द पार्टनर मेल और फीमेल में से क्योंकि जब हम एक पेयर बना रहे हैं तो उस पेयर में एक क्रोमोसोम मदर का है, एक फादर का है. जैसे ये क्रोमोसोम नंबर 21 है, दिस इज द क्रोमोसोम नंबर 21. वन वी गॉट फ्रॉम आवर फादर एंड वन फ्रॉम द मदर, बट एनी वन ऑफ देम, जब उसमें सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ क्रोमेटिड हुआ है तो वहाँ पे वो एक की जगह 2 आ गए. मीन्स ट्राइसोमी ऑफ क्रोमोसोम नंबर 21. क्रोमोसोम नंबर 21 की 3 कॉपी हैं बिसाइड द नॉर्मल 2. सो इट इज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड बाय लैगडोन डाउन इन 1866. सम ऑफ द फीचर्स शॉर्ट स्टैचर्ड विथ स्मॉल राउंड हेड, छोटी हाइट वाला और गोल सर होगा, फोरोड हेड, पार्शली ओपन माउथ, उभरा हुआ माथा और थोड़ा सा खुला हुआ मुंह. पाम इज ब्रॉड विथ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पाम क्रीज, मतलब थोड़ी सी सिकड़ी हुई होंगी. एंड फिजिकली एंड मेंटली रिटार्टेड, द चाइल्ड विल बी फिजिकली एंड मेंटली रिटार्टेड. नाउ in the last video, on the last PDF file, I told you I have given one matter onto that matter crisscross inheritance is written. What is the meaning of that? Crisscross inheritance is also called skip generation inheritance. Means when the characters are passed from like mother to son, means onto the opposite sex, mother to son and son to granddaughter. जो सेक्स कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं या जो सेक्स लिमिटेड जो लाइक सेक्स लिंक रिसेसिव ट्रेट, ये जो जिस टाइप के ट्रेट्स होते हैं उनमें क्रिस क्रॉस इनहेरिटेंस पैटर्न चलता है. लाइक फादर से कैरेक्टर्स जाएंगे डॉटर मी एंड डॉटर टू ग्रैंडसन. नाउ ऑटोसोमल जीन एंड सेक्स लिंक जीन. ऑटोसोमल जीन मतलब सभी इंडिविजुअल वेदर मेल और फीमेल बोथ विल कैरी द 2 एलील्स ऑफ ईच जीन. क्योंकि लाइक इन दिस यू कैन से not, it is not autosomal, this one HBA and HBB, 2 autosomes are there and both will contain alleles. Where is the sex linked? Male will carry always 1 allele here. Because the another one chromosome is Y, it contain only X chromosome, so only 1 will be there in this condition. This condition is also called hemizygous, when male contain only 1 allele. Now the mean of reciprocal growth. Reciprocal growth का मतलब है जिसे आपने पहले एज अ मेल पेरेंट चूज किया था, फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम यू विल चूज एज अ फीमेल पेरेंट द सेम. लाइक इन दिस केस मेल वी हैव टेकन फर्स्ट एज अ डिजीज्ड पर्सन hemophilic and it married with a normal female, correct? And now if we have taken female as a diseased person and married with a normal male, so that is called reciprocal growth. मतलब टोटली अपोजिट करना है. जहाँ पहले हमने नॉर्मल फीमेल ली थी, हेयर वी आर टेकिंग नॉर्मल मेल. एंड अर्लियर वी हैव टेकन मेल एज अ हीमोफिलिक पर्सन एंड इन दिस वी हैव टेकन फीमेल एज अ हीमोफिलिक पर्सन. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड रेसिप्रोकल ग्रोथ. सम ऑफ द सिंबल्स आर देयर फॉर पेडिग्री which we have to use normally. Male square, female circle, and if sex is unspecified, this type of structure, matting, married between them, parents above, children below, in order to both birth left to right. From there we have to count. This is the first child, female, and this is the second one, male. It is affected if it is filled from internally, so it is called affected. It is matting between relatives. Matting between relatives, consanguineous matting, and this is the sign for parents with male child but affected with disease. So in this video we read about some of the Mendelian disorder, chromosomal disorder, then reciprocal growth, crisscross inheritance, and symbols for pedigree. In the next video we will read about linkage, recombination, and chromosomal theory of inheritance.